As informed in the previous lesson, we will use NetBeans as our IDE in this training program. Editing HTML, CSS, MySQL and PHP programs in NetBeans is very easy. In this tutorial, you will learn to install NetBeans on Windows operating system. Linux and Mac OS users can see installation steps mentioned in the helper text section below. In this video, you will see demonstration of NetBeans installation on Windows 10 operating system for a 64-bit processor. The installation steps are same for all Windows operating system, 32-bit or 64-bit processor. To download NetBeans, click on the download link in the helper text. You will see download page. Click on download button to proceed. On this page, you will see different NetBeans bundles that support different types of software or development processes. This will support all the development options. Press download button to download software. After the download completes, run the installer. For Windows, the installer executable file has .exe extension. At the welcome page of the installation wizard, click Next. At the license agreement page, click the acceptance checkbox and click Next button. Accept the default installation directory for NetBeans IDE or specify any other directory you may want. At the summary page, do following. Verify that the list of components to be installed is correct. Tick the update checkbox to get possible future updates. Click install to begin the installation. We are almost done. Just click finish button to complete. We have successfully installed the NetBeans. To open NetBeans, double click NetBeans icon. This is what you will see first time. Select new project from menu to create a project. In the new project window, select HTML5/JavaScript category. Then select HTML5/JS application project and click on next button. Give project a name, my first project, and select a location or keep the default location. NetBeans will create a folder with project name. Next step is to select site template. Since we are not going to use any predefined website template, select no site template and click next button to proceed. In the tool panel, uncheck all the 4 options as we won't use them and click finish. Now you can see the NetBeans workspace. On the right, you can see the code editor. On the left, you can see project panel showing all the files and folders in the project. Notice the project folder, my first project, in this panel. You can use this to navigate to the other files in the project folder. In the code editor, a default file, index.html, is created. It contains starter code template. In the next tutorial, you will get to know about the starter code and learn about basic structure of an HTML page.